You guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be making crispy Sichuan peppercorn shrimp. This dish is layered with aromatics and pairs well with a bowl of steamed rice. It's truly an experience to eat this dish, and I'll explain why later in this video. We will need some minced ginger and garlic to start out. Followed by cilantro, scallion, and longhorn pepper. Longhorn pepper is medium level in spiciness and has a nice fragrance when stir-fried. If you can't find this pepper, a mix of jalapeno and bell peppers will work for this dish. Now the star of this dish, Sichuan peppercorn, has a floral and citrusy flavor and aroma. The active chemical ingredient in these peppercorns, called Hydroxy-Alpha-Sanshool, is believed to be what causes the tingling sensation in our lips and mouths when we eat it. This sensation creates an experience like no other, and makes food that uses the Sichuan peppercorn quite addicting. Cumin pairs so well with this kind of peppercorn, and we have sugar to balance the saltiness and umami of the bouillon powder. Did you know you can devein the shrimp without slicing it down the back? Using something sharp like a skewer, poke through the third segment of the shrimp from the tail and pull the vein out slowly to prevent it from tearing. This trick works well and keeps the shrimp intact for a nice presentation. The cayenne pepper will add a soft kick and provides a nice color for the shrimp when fried. These guys don't take long to fry up and become crispy. As soon as they develop a golden brown color, they can be removed to rest for a few minutes. The oil is nicely heated. Let's get a bit of color on the ginger and garlic. These whole dried chilies won't make this dish spicy, but it will impart a bit of smokiness and aroma to the dish. It will only be spicy if you cut the dried chilies, which you can do if you like. After the ginger and garlic have developed some color, the spice mix can be added to work its magic now. The Sichuan peppercorn and cumin will infuse its flavors into the shrimp, and it will be delicious. The aroma of the spices are perfuming this space. Add the longhorn peppers, cilantro, and scallion in. The longhorn peppers will cook quickly but maintain its slight crisp. Cilantro and scallion will lift and brighten up this dish with freshness. Here we have it, crispy Sichuan peppercorn shrimp. A numbing and savory experience, and it's a true rice killer. I hope you guys give it a try. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe for weekly videos. See you all in the next video. Be safe, everyone.